Hello friends, my name is Ram and today discussion topic is SCP. SCP means string constant pool and it is a special memory location to present in heap area. So SCP is a part of string because all string objects are stored in SCP and heap area. So we already seen what is string. String is a sequence of characters, or string is created by using two way, by using new keyword and by using literals. So and another important point about your string is our memory areas. So memory areas. So till 1.6 version, so objects are stored in a method area, but after 1.7 version we can define all special memory area, that is string constant pool, and in which to store the some string objects. So we in this video we discuss the string constant pool memory area. So string constant pool, so we can create the object by using new keyword. For example, string s1 is equal to new string welcome. So in that case we can create the two objects because we use the new keyword. So one object is created in heap area and another object is created in SCP, that is string constant pool. And same here too, we can provide the same literals. For example, string s1 is equal to string s1 is equal to new string welcome, and string s2 is equal to new string welcome. So we can same literal. So in that case only in heap area we create the object, but in string constant pool JVM check if any literals are provided, any literals are stored in that name or that object. So if you found any object that similar name, so we cannot be create the object. We can provide the reference in or internally JVM. So in that case we can provide we can create only one object in heap area. So another way is we can create the object by using directly or by using literal. So normally string s1 is equal to abcd. So in that object we can directly store in a SCP area, that is string constant pool area. So in Java normally we can create the object by using literal because we are not to project load is heavy, because every time we can create the new object by using new keyword object. So by using new keyword object, so in that case we can create the two objects, or is to workload the project. That's why reason we can create the normally object in by using literal or directly. So this is all concept about your string constant pool in Java. Thank you.